So, for our craft project today, it's a little bit like our clay project, except we're going to be making a snowman out of polymer clay. Okay? Now, what's the difference between oiled clay and polymer? Well, if you use polymer clay and you heat it up, it gets hard. All right? And why do we want to make it get hard? Because today we're going to make a snow globe. I'm really excited about this project. All right, so what do you need for this project? Well, you can either buy a snow globe like this on the internet or at a craft store, or you could simply get a mason jar, something like that, to put your figurine inside your snowman. So that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some glitter. I'm using some blue and sparkly silver. Okay, the polymer clay, and then you're gonna need an adhesive. You could use Gorilla Glue. I'm using Gorilla Glue today, or you can use hot glue. Either one will work. All right, so let's get to it. Let's make this snowman. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you know how to make a snowman. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some white clay, roll a big ball like that. Then I'm gonna take some more clay, make it just a little bit smaller, like that. And then I'm gonna take another little bit of white clay and make it smaller than the last ball. Okay? And bump, bump, bump. There's our snowman. Okay? Now, we don't wanna just leave them like that. We're gonna spice them up a little bit. So I'm gonna give them a green hat, since we are in the holiday season. So I'm gonna give them like a top hat, like this, and then I'm flattening out like a pancake for the brim, and then I'm just taking some clay, and then I'm making the top hat, and I'm smushing it down together. I really want it to feel like one piece, okay? And the more clay you do for the pancake, the more floppy the hat. So there's our snowman's hat. And you can decide what side is the front, what side's the back. All right, I think this side's gonna be the front. So I'm gonna put him there. Next, I'm gonna take some red, and I'm gonna roll out a coil, okay, just like this. And then I'm gonna wrap it around my snowman's neck for a scarf, okay, just like this. And then I'm gonna pinch off just a little bit like that, and then I'm gonna have it flop down right here, and I'm gonna just squish it just a little bit like that. Okay, next I'm going to take some really, really, really tiny little black pieces like this, and I'm just going to give him little coal eyes, like right underneath the brim of his hat. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of orange and give him a little carrot nose. That's a big carrot nose. So, and depending on how big you make and how big, like if you're using a mason jar, you can make your sculptures pretty big. Okay, so it's up to you, like how big you want to make your snowman. And if you don't want to make a snowman, like you could make, I don't know, you and your friends in the snow globe. It's up to you. Okay, so then I'm gonna take some more black. I'm just gonna make two little buttons right here, just like that. And there is my snowman. Now, when you buy polymer clay from an arts and crafts store or on the internet, you need to follow the directions. Okay, now you can put your polymer clay in an oven, and if that's the way you're gonna go, you need an adult's help. Okay, and you can either put it in the oven or you can use a hair dryer. Okay, now the clay that I got says that if it's only big like an inch or two, like our snowman, the snowman I just made right here, I can use a hair dryer. So I'm gonna grab a hair dryer, and I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste 5 minutes of our time, so I'm gonna go into super fast hair dryer to make our snowman ready to be put in a snow globe mode. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I dried him, and he's a lot harder than he was before, okay? But just to make sure this works, I have one already made, a snowman already made, and I air dried him with the hair dryer. Here he is, just like the one we just made. He's a little bit bigger, a little bit chubbier, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready to put him in the snow globe. So the snow globe that I bought has a stopper, okay? To stop the water from coming out. And it goes in like this, and then you pop it out, okay? So I'm gonna glue the snowman right onto here, okay? So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Glue, and I'm gonna put the Gorilla Glue on the bottom of my snowman. Now this snowman, he's hard, and he'll survive in the water. And then I'm gonna stick him down right there on that. And then I'm gonna grab my hair dryer. And again, remember, ask your grown-ups at home if you can use the hair dryer, or if they're helping you, let them use it, all right? Or if you ask permission to use it, ask permission first, okay? So that's up to your grown-ups at home. All right, so now that I've used the Gorilla Glue, which is really super sticky stuff. If you're using Gorilla Glue, you might want to ask a grown-up for help, because you could stick your fingers together, and we don't want that to happen. All right, so always ask a grown-up for help, or ask a grown-up if you can use it. All right, so to speed this up, I am going to use the hair dryer to help speed up the Gorilla Glue. All right, and I'm gonna air dry it, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so as you can see, my snowman is glued on tight. All right, so he is ready to go. All right, and what's good about doing the hair dryer again for the glue is it definitely helps to dry out the snowman some more. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I need to fill up my snow globe with water. All right, so I'm going to fill up my snow globe with water, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I'm ready to put my snowman back in the snow globe here. Well, not back, he's gonna go in the snow globe. So it's very, very important that you listen to these next steps, okay? The reason these are important is because you don't want to put a lot of glitter into the snow globe, okay? The reason being is you'll make a foggy mess and you won't be able to see your snowman, all right? So I'm just gonna put a little bit of blue. I'm not putting in a lot. I'm just tapping like that. That's it, okay? Now, I'm gonna put my snowman in the snow globe. I'm gonna push down really hard. This is where you might need a grown-up to help, okay? And you wanna make sure it's tight. And you wanna make sure it's tight because you don't want the water to leak out, okay? Then you wanna screw on the cap, and then there you go. And you can shake it up and watch all the glitter dance around, okay, in your snow globe. Isn't that neat? Like, we just made a snow globe, okay? Now, like, I think I could use a little more glitter, but not much. But I'm happy with it. But if you want to add more glitter, you just take your snowman back out, and then you add a little more glitter, okay? It's touch and go. You figure it out as you move along, okay? So that's it for today. I would love to see your snow globes and your snowmen, or maybe you do something else in your snow globe, okay? So send in a picture to the email address below. I'd love to see your snow globes, or tag us on social media. I just can't wait to see all the different snow globes. All right? All right. Well, with that being said, I'm going to head on out, and I'm going to head to the closing bit, and I'll see you next time. Peace.